Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to order from Temu in India. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as we all know, ordering from Temu in India is not possible anymore. Okay? If you really want to order from Temu, you can go ahead and follow these steps, but it will require a ton of steps. Okay? And if you want to, you can just go ahead and skip this tutorial and just use Alibaba. Now, going back, in order to order from Temu in India, you may need to use a third-party package forwarding service. Again, a third-party package forwarding service such as Collis Expat, which is right here. Just go to collisexpat.com/delivery-shipping/Temu. Okay. In here, you can easily create your PO box, shop on the website of your choice, receive your packages at their premises. Most importantly, forward your packages to the 4 corners of the world. Okay, so just basically create your account in here, and once done, you will receive a US shipping address. Okay, once you receive your shipping address or US shipping address, you can go ahead and enjoy shopping with Temu right here. And when you go ahead over to your cart and in the checkout page, just make sure to input or enter the given US address by Collis Expat. All right. Once that's done, after the item arrives at the forwarding warehouse, they will notify you and can forward it to your address in India. That's how it works. All right. That's the only possible way to order from Temu in India. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.